In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use make.com to automate the creation of documents from templates using Google Docs. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to head over to make.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, setting one up is quite simple. Follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be in no time. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the dashboard. Here, you'll see the option to create a new scenario. This is where the magic starts. Click on Create a New Scenario to begin. You'll be directed to the Scenario Builder, which might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through the process step by step. In the Builder, you'll want to click on the plus sign to start adding new modules to your scenario. This opens up a world of possibilities for automation. So take a moment to think about what you'd like to achieve. Next, in the search bar, type Google Docs. This will pull up options related to Google Docs that you can incorporate into your automation scenario. From these options, select Create a Document from a Template. This choice allows you to generate documents automatically based on pre-made templates, a particularly useful feature for tasks that require repetitive document creation. After you select this option, you'll be prompted to create a connection. Click on Create a Connection and a Google sign-in page will appear. Use this to sign into your Google account and make sure to authorize make.com to access your Google Docs. This step is crucial as it provides the necessary permissions for make.com to work its magic. With that set up, we move on to configuring the template settings. Choose the specific Google Docs template you want to use and identify the placeholders that need to be filled. You can fill these placeholders with variables such as client names or data pulled from a Google Sheet, email, or form submission. This is where customization comes in handy, allowing you to tailor the document to your needs. If you wish to expand the functionality of your scenario, consider adding other modules. For example, integrate Google Sheets to automatically generate contracts from spreadsheet data, or use Gmail to create documents based on email content. You could even transform form responses into detailed reports. This flexibility is part of what makes automation on make.com so powerful. Once you've structured your scenario, it's time to decide where these new docs should be saved within Google Drive. You also have the option to share them automatically via email or Slack, enhancing teamwork and collaboration.
Finally, it's testing time. Run the scenario to ensure everything functions correctly, and then all placeholders are replaced as expected. If any issues arise, troubleshoot and adjust as needed. When you're satisfied, set the schedule for your scenario, whether you want it to run in real time, hourly, or daily. Choose what suits your workflow best, and there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up an automation workflow that creates documents from templates on make.com, saving you time and effort. Happy automating!